In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Adamantite here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is make your way over to any of the teleporters around the map, just like so. Interact with the teleporter itself and teleport to Shibuya Station, which of course I'm already at right now. Now, once you're at Shibuya Station, just make your way over here kind of towards the side of this building, and you're going to see the Enchanter NPC. Go ahead and interact with the Enchanter NPC. And of course, Adamantite is used for the higher level upgrades, so it's not going to work on every single item, but go ahead and find an item that it works on. I really thought it was going to work on the mage outfit, but of course it doesn't. Here we go. For the shadow cloak right here, it requires some Adamantite. Just go through and enchant your items a little bit. Once you get to the higher levels, it's going to start requiring that Adamantite, and obviously that is really what Adamantite is used for. Those late game items like higher tier outfits or evolutions. It can also be used in some weapon upgrades or transformations as well right here. So you can also go to this blessing NPC, and if you select something and just keep hitting bless, there's a chance it might need some Adamantite later on. For example, it looks like it needs some right here, but it looks like I need to grind some obsidian out first. But that is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.